To schedule a Wells Fargo appointment, start by downloading the Wells Fargo mobile app from your device's app store and logging in with your online banking credentials. Once you open the app, you'll see the login screen where you can enter your username and password or use biometric authentication for faster access. After logging in, navigate to the appointment scheduling section by tapping the menu icon or looking for Make an Appointment in the main interface. Next, select the type of service you need. Wells Fargo offers appointments for personal banking, business banking, home lending, investment services, and more. Choose your preferred branch location using GPS to find nearby branches or by searching with a zip code. Then view available time slots in real time and select your preferred date and time. Finally, provide your contact information, specify the purpose of your visit, add any special requirements, and confirm your appointment details to complete the scheduling process. Your Wells Fargo appointment is now scheduled. You'll receive confirmation notifications and can manage your appointment directly through the mobile app. Once you've scheduled your Wells Fargo appointment, the mobile app provides comprehensive tools to manage and track your upcoming meetings. You can easily reschedule or cancel appointments up to 2 hours before your scheduled time. The app provides flexible options to modify your appointments as your schedule changes. Enable push notifications to receive timely reminders about your appointments. The app will alert you before your scheduled meeting to ensure you never miss an important banking consultation. Seamlessly integrate your Wells Fargo appointments with your device calendar. Add appointments with a single tap to avoid scheduling conflicts and keep all your commitments organized in one place. For routine consultations, consider virtual appointments to save time and increase convenience. Virtual meetings are perfect for account reviews, financial planning discussions, and general banking inquiries. To optimize your appointment experience, prepare documentation in advance using the app's checklist feature. Book during off-peak hours like Tuesday through Thursday mid-morning for better availability and shorter wait times. With these management and optimization features, you can make the most of your Wells Fargo mobile app appointments, ensuring a smooth and efficient banking experience tailored to your schedule and preferences.